Class 12 subject physics. Today's topic is transformer. A transformer is a device which converts high voltage at low current into low voltage at high current, and vice versa. So it is a device. Transformer is a device which converts high voltage at low current. A voltage and a source is a source having high voltage at low current into a low voltage, low alternating voltage at high current, and vice versa. That means a low voltage at high current into high voltage at low current. Now, it's a principle. It works on the principle. This transformer works on the principle of mutual induction. That is, if we have two coils, inductively coupled, and when current or magnetic flux linked with one coil changes, then EMF is induced or produced in the second coil. So it works on the principle of mutual induction. That is, if we have two coils, they are inductively coupled with each other, and when current or magnetic flux, when current or magnetic flux, this is a coil, current or magnetic flux linked with this coil changes, an EMF is induced in the second coil, second one. Now we will see the construction. This transformer consists of two coils, P and S. Transformer consists of two coils, P and S. They are wound on soft iron core here. This is a core, laminated iron core, soft iron core, in which two coils, one is here in the side, it is wound, we call this, name it as P, and second coil is also wound on the same this iron core. This is S, we name it S. This coil is called primary coil, and S is called secondary coil. AC input source is applied to the primary coil, and through the secondary coil we get transformed output. AC input is applied to the primary coil and transformed or changed output is obtained across the secondary coil S. Transformers are of two types. Number one, step up transformer. What is step up transformer? In step up transformer, number of turns. See here, we have many turns in these coils, in the primary coil and the S coil. But what is a step up transformer? In this step up transformer, number of turns in secondary, that is S coil, number of turns in secondary S coil is greater than the number of turns in the primary coil. If we have number of turns in the secondary coil as NS and number of turns in the primary coil as NP, then in step up transformer, NS is greater than NP. Number of turns in secondary coil is greater than number of turns in primary coil in step up transformer. The primary coil is this primary coil, P coil, is thick copper. This primary coil is thick insulated copper wire, while as the secondary coil is S coil is thin. It is also copper wire, thin copper wire. This is thin and this is thick copper wire. This step up transformer, it converts, this step up transformer converts low voltage at high current, low voltage at high current into high voltage at low current. Now we have another type, that is step down transformer. And step down transformer. In step down transformer, the number of turns in the secondary coil is less than the number of turns in the primary coil, that is NS is less than NP. We have less number of turns. If we have less number of turns in the secondary coil as compared to the number of turns in the primary coil, we get the step down transformer. And step down transformer, primary coil is made up of thin wire. P coil is made up of thin copper wire, and S coil is made up of thick insulated copper. This step down transformer converts high voltage at low current into low voltage at high current. Now, in the next lecture, we will discuss the theory of transformers. Thanks.